In today's video, I want to prepare African salad. We call it Edita Iwa in my native language. So this is what I'm going to use to prepare it. Is cassava. You can use cassava to process gari, fufu, starch. You can use it for so many things, and today I want to use it for Edita Iwa. So now I am going to peel the cassava. Let me take it down. If you don't know how to prepare Edita Iwa, Igbo people use it for abacha. Abacha is the same African salad, but we call it in my own language Edita Iwa. So I'll peel it like this, and then wash it, and then cook it. For me to peel it. So guys, I'm done peeling it. Now let me sweep this thing. Okay, so I want to wash it. Now I will add water and then put it on fire and cook it. Don't make it too soft. I'll just cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Guys, let's check the cassava. Ooh, it's ready. So I will put it down and strain out the water. So guys, now I will slice it. I'll slice it like this. It's still hot. I'm supposed to leave it to cool down, but it's getting down. So are now mainly doing it because it's getting dark. So my neighbors joined me to do it. All thanks to them. Want to win your husband's heart, give him with granite. Give him with granite and coconut, or fish if you want to turn your husband's head. So this is African salad. We call it Edita Iwa in my native language. So it's African salad. You call it kalacha, and the other time people call it tapioca. The other people call it tapioca or so my native language we call it Edita Iwa. After starting, I'm going to soak the water for 24 hours. So guys, I'm just slicing. I wash it and then add another water and leave it for 24 hours. Okay, this is the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching. This is our Edita Iwa. Hi guys, so this is 24 hours since I soaked the African salad, Edita Iwa. So I'm going to wash it now. So let me get water. Like I told you, you have to soak for 24 hours before you eat it. So I soak it for 24 hours. So guys, it's ready. It's ready. I'm done washing. See, the water is very clean now. So anyone can eat it now with anything you want to eat with. Whether you want to eat with granite, coconut, fish, pear. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and share.